going to explain the solar system. First, the sun, which is the biggest thing in the solar system, and it's also made of fire.
And then Mercury is the smallest planet in the whole solar system.
That's Venus, and it's the same size as Earth.
That's Earth with the moon.
Mars, it's a little bit bigger than Earth and Venus.
And that's Jupiter with the red spot.
And the golden one with the silver ring is Saturn, and the ring is made of ice crystals.
And that's Uranus with the ring, and its ring is also made out of ice.
And that's Neptune, the dark one. How to find the temperature around the solar system. We want to find the temperature in the fifth ring. So,
You divide 350, since that's the temperature around the sun. 350 divided by 5, which equals 70. So 70 is the temperature near Neptune. Thanks for watching.
okay, ready? If you mess up, then you'll see. 1, 2. We want to find the temperature in the fifth ring. In the fifth ring. No, please do it fine. You, Hermogenes, you have to speak louder. 1, 2.
No, you're not. No, don't there. These are that time. Yeah, you concentrate on the video. No, you didn't. Let's go. You look like a 3-year-old. That's not fun. You're like on the ground.
I'm moving.
Oh, is that funny?
I can't move back.